everyone, and welcome back to Poppy DIY Crafts. And today we are unboxing the brand new Elves box for November. So this is a subscription box from Sophie and Toffee, and with your subscription they will send you a box every month filled with lots of goodies. Alright, let's go ahead and open it. Here we go. Here's a booklet. This is the November Elves Box, Light Up My World, LED Resin Craft. Ooh, super cool. You can get tutorials and ideas online. The contest from August. These are all the stuff that comes in the premium box and also the regular box. And instructions to make the LED castle and the LED mirror wand if you have the premium add-on. So this box is actually the premium, so it's much bigger. So that means we can make both the LED castle and the mirror. Here we have a large pack of dreamy blue holographic flakes. Here's a mirror for the snowflake mirror wand. Here's a winter themed holographic film. Oh, just take a look at this. So pretty. Here we have a silicone measuring cup. Here's some epoxy resin. These are crystal epoxy resin, 100 grams of each part. So you can make a total of 200 grams of resin. Here's the mold for the mirror. Oh wow, this is actually really big. Oh, look at this. Super neat. Isn't this pretty? We got some popsicle sticks, 2 of them. And we also have some LED lights. According to the booklet, one is a colorful one and one is a blue one. Actually, it's not labeled, so we would have to find out. Let's see, we can actually turn it on here. Oh, it has batteries. Oh, look at this. So this one is blue, is for the castle, and this one is colorful for the mirror. Oh, how neat is this? And in here we have a sealed box. So let's go ahead and cut it open. Oh, and here is the castle mold. Oh wow, this is really heavy. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is so cool. This is so neat. I can't wait to make the castle. Look at this. So I think you pour it in upside down, and so it's nice and stable so that it won't tip over. Alright everyone, wasn't this such an amazing box? I love these molds and can't wait to get started. So I'll be making the castle and the hand mirror in my next few videos, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification button so that you'll know when I post those videos. Alright, I'll see you soon. Bye!